different wheels and a little stop on the front here, just a bit of wood. I just glued it across there to stop the arm going down and rubbing on the ground. And I've already pre-tensioned it by 1/4 of a turn, so we'll see what happens. Well, if the box wasn't in the way, I think we'd have gone the full distance. I think we even had a bit of wheel spin to begin with. Typical. Should have gone for even bigger wheels. Never mind. We'll see if we can go back the other way. Not quite the whole way. Oh, the wheel fell off. I could glue them on, but I've just pushed them on for now. I could use a slightly longer piece of string. As you can see, we're actually starting quite high up there. I could have used a slightly longer string and gone further anyway. So we're only using about 1/4 of a turn. Well, less than half a turn anyway, maybe 1/3 of a turn. 1/3 of a revolution. We're not quite going to make it the full distance, but that'll do. That's a significant improvement using those wheels. I couldn't leave it alone. I thought I'd extend the string so we get the full distance before it drops off. What we don't want is it to get caught in the side of the spring here like that. Hit the box again. Rude words. Go back the other way. I could always move the box out the way. It just happens to have a lot of shopping in it and it's a bit heavy. And it's been there for weeks. Yeah, it did it. Well, I'm going to stop there. I just can't get it to accurately run and hit the camera. And I've worked out why. Because I put all this weight over the front here. When this taps down like that, the back goes very light and it goes offline. So we really need the chassis to be much longer. So we haven't got all the weight over the front wheels there. Weight needs to be in the middle somewhere, or at least not as far forwards as that. I think that'll do though. It works, and we're doing about 8 meters, just a little bit under. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.